What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I decided to record this do-it-yourself project because I figured it was something that might be interesting to a few viewers if you're thinking about doing some work in your backyard. So I wish I would have started earlier, but like I said, I really wasn't going to record this, but this was a piece of land that we have in our backyard. This is our backyard, and this is just like a little piece that we had on the side that was full of like grass, and it was all like dead and getting very wet and murky, and there was also like a dead tree trunk and some stones. It was just a hot mess. So myself and a friend of mine who's helping me, and also my husband who's not in the video right now, between the three of us, we've gone ahead and just removed everything, and now we're getting the ground ready, and we're gonna go ahead and start putting some stones and some sand. All right, so as you can see here, we took our work truck and we filled it up as much as we could with the stone and sand. It is a mixture of both. It was recommended by the nursery that we went to, so you can see here what it looks like. It's very, very small, and mixed in there is sand. All right, so this is called anti-weed fabric or soil fabric. So we are also going to lay this on the ground after we have sprayed it with the weed killer. So you nail it in with the hammer, so you secure it in place. Alright guys, so we went ahead and put all of the sand and stone, and now we are wetting it. Why do you have to wet it, if you don't mind me asking?
Just to weigh it down.
Okay, that's why you have to wet it, to weigh it down.
You know, when you bang it, goes in, it's harder.
Okay. I think that we need to level this a little bit better, so we're gonna go in the morning and get some more sand and stone. I think of another yard, is that how you call it? And we're gonna try and level it a little bit better because it does look a little bumpy. And we also wanted to slope a little bit more towards the vegetation of the trees, and that's a mango tree and some palm trees, to slope a little down when it rains, because Florida does get a lot of water. I want to put artificial grass. My husband is kind of on the fence with that and is thinking of putting like some type of stone. I forgot what it's called. It's actually quite pretty. It's like white pinkish. So I don't know, we'll see what happens there. Good morning guys. So we went really early this morning and got another yard and put it in the truck, and we've already started. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process so far. Okay guys, so we have finished, and this probably took like, oh god, I think it's been like 4 hours. What was really labor intensive was leveling it and making sure that everything was even, and the pounding, and just it was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Okay guys, so today is Sunday, February 14th, and it's Valentine's Day, and I wasn't home. I had left Saturday to get my hair and nails done and go have lunch with my friends, and while I was gone, he installed the artificial grass for me. Yay! That's so sweet. I'm so happy. This has completely exceeded my expectations. I really thought he was gonna put the stones, but he did this for me. So the only bad thing is that I wasn't able to record it because he wanted it to be a surprise. So I'm sorry that I wasn't able to show you the installation process, but there's still some things left, and I'm gonna put that on video. Now the roll, excuse the mess, we're gonna clean this up too. This is how the roll comes. Obviously he had to cut it because you need to 15 it was 15 feet wide, 15 feet wide, and then you have to excuse me, you have to nail it down and you also have to use a glue. Let me show you the nails. So how much was this, Mike? Just for reference, so I can let them know.
It was $1.80 a square foot.
Okay, so it's $1.80 a square foot.
Like
so
$27 a linear foot.
$27 a linear foot. So we paid like $650 roughly.
With the sand.
Oh, with the sand. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so you have to buy nails. This box was about $50, right? Okay, yeah, about $45. So they're massive pieces of nails, 6-inch nails. And then do you have to put it around the entire perimeter?
Yeah, all the way around.
So it's literally, that's a lot of nails. How many nails are in there?
It's 300, but I'll get 200. This one will take 200.
Oh,
This
wow.
project.
Okay.
When you try to cut it around here like this, right in the middle.
Where?
You cut it here.
In the middle?
It's easier to cut this way, but then when you have to cut this way, it's difficult. The different.
This is what you use to cut the grass?
Yeah. That's it. Yeah, it was hard. It was difficult, especially around the trees. You had to make this cut here. Around the trees. You have to still fix that in there, but.
So I ordered these online and they were supposed to be huge, and like I was so excited, and when they came they were extremely small, so I definitely got ripped off. This was supposed to cover that entire wall, so I feel kind of stupid falling for it, but it is what it is. But I went to the dollar store and I bought these little flowers, and I also bought this really cheap green, it's like wire that you can cut, but it's really cheap. It's all from the dollar store, but it's, you know, little patience and it gets the job done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix match a few little flowers and just spread them all across, and then incorporate them somewhere in the backyard. The video, I mean, I'm gonna see if I could do like a screenshot next to it so you can see how big they were supposed to be and how small they actually are. They came in the tiniest little package. So I just feel kind of stupid that I fell for them. I mean, look how small. All right, so I hung one up. Look how small it is. Oh my God, this is gonna be so funny, but I'm gonna make this work. I'm going to make it work. This is made out of concrete, so I had to use a drill and screw it in because there was no way that you could do it any other way. Look how small they are. I hope it doesn't look stupid. All right, let me put the other three. All right, I finished. Luckily, my husband got home a little early from work, took pity on me, helped me hang them up because I was crying. Okay, he had to add zip ties here because these are by far, and excuse the word I'm about to use, but these are the worst pieces of shit I've ever bought in my life. He was like, I'm gonna throw them away in the garbage, but I said, no, let's do something with this. And yeah, it's not the best. The whole wall was supposed to be covered like this. In the meantime, I just added these little potted plants. But you guys, if you don't know me, you're gonna know me soon. I am going to fix this up. So now I'm gonna get an umbrella and finish this project once and for all. Okay guys, so pretty much I have finished my do-it-yourself backyard challenge. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out on a budget. We got the umbrella that you see here at Publix. I saw it when I went shopping and it was 40 bucks. It's not exactly what I wanted, but the price was so good. So I bought it, and the table was donated to me by my mother-in-law because she bought a new one. So it does need to be repainted, and it needs a little work, but that'll be another video because then this video will be way too long. And then my little flower wall, I went to the dollar store and I spent about $10 in flowers and added some, and I think it came out pretty nice. And I bought some little stickers, and I know those are gonna fall off, and the flowers with the sun and the water are gonna have to be replaced, but it's definitely something that's affordable, really pretty. You can take some nice little pictures with your family when you have barbecues or get together. Got some potted plants, some little figurines from Marshalls or Home Goods. And I also made this from the dollar store. And here you can see that the furniture is, it's, you know, in pretty bad shape, so it needs to be completely redone. So I'll be doing that pretty soon. But anyway, I hope that this has inspired you guys to take a challenge in your backyard. Maybe you're on a tight budget and you need some ideas. I hope that this has been able to help you. I wish I would have done this years ago. I could have had this a long time ago and not had an ugly piece of land here, just collecting mud and dirt and bugs. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you would like to give me a like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. God bless you guys. Bye.